DFG Science TV, the start of nature, life in an open pit mine, from a lunar landscape to an ecosystem.
It's 6 hectares in size, so it's not easy to obtain an overview of the Chicken Creek catchment basin. To view the entire water catchment area, they observe it from a bird's eye perspective. From here, they can see all of the structures on the soil surface and identify the relationships between them. But the path to obtaining such an aerial image is tedious. At the start of the project, the research team defined so-called raster points. They were measured with a spacing of exactly 20 meters. During this process, the latest technology was used. With the aid of a GPS measurement system, the researchers were able to quickly but precisely determine positions. All of the defined raster points are marked with small flags. They guarantee exact orientation. Particularly during the subsequent creation of aerial images, they are of great importance. The actual aerial images are made with a micro drone. That's a high-tech miniature helicopter, such as is also used by the police. The drone is also equipped with the latest technology. A GPS control allows the researchers to program a flight path in advance. Like a model helicopter, the drone now flies over the catchment area. During the flight, a digital camera captures images of the specified points. And that's how it looks, the water catchment area from the perspective of the drone. This point of view is particularly important for the researchers because they see the development in the entire catchment basin. The aerial photos are taken vertically downward. After the flight, the researchers begin with the processing of the images. On the computer, they first assign coordinates to the images. Now the raster point markings are used. The researchers already know their position from the measurements, and now identify the markings in the aerial image. The scientists now click them and obtain the exact coordinates of the flags. Using this so-called referencing method, the researchers measure the distances of the individual points in the image. Still missing is the exact elevation information for the soil surface. Here, a laser scanner is used.
In Project
C3, we're interested above all in the interaction between plants and soil. And we needed to find a measurement method that would allow us to make measurements without requiring us to walk on the area. One that would provide us with information for the entire area. And, since we already have experience in the forest with corresponding laser scanner methods, we essentially came to the area and positioned a laser scanner here on a tower that will allow us to measure the area three-dimensionally. With these results, the researchers create a digital terrain model. In this way, they produce a scale model of the catchment basin. Very visible here as well are the erosion gullies that carve grooves into the surface. More on the erosion gullies and what processes take place in them next time.
Visit DFG Science TV for more information. Awaken the researcher within you.